Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a wedding dress rental service and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you are certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your business. We built Mighty Sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. No credit card details needed. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, wedding dress rental service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put in a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your rental service is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-sites work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute, created a website with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some stunning images of all the various wedding dresses you have in store, and you want to showcase them on your website for brides to be. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that today. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or have any professional website skills, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and head to the top and click on the first section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address, and I want to make sure that email address is displayed on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Great. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street address. Great thing about that address, when your website's live and your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. Under social media platforms, update social links, go ahead and put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Let's move along. We're making such fantastic progress. I'm going to go ahead and update my logo for my business. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com. Logo's been updated. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, maybe add filters, frames, go ahead and click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, go ahead and click on save, and you can make the logo bigger and smaller on the right. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding and your marketing a little bit better, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket. No color coding necessary. Plenty of color palettes for you to choose from. Let's go ahead and choose something yeah, that's absolutely perfect. Love it. Looks stunning. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. If there's an image and you want to change it, click on Update Image, browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free for you to use. Stunning dresses. Under Update Content, you can put in the content to suit your business. Button currently says schedule fitting appointment. Maybe you wanted to say something else, so go ahead and amend that text. You can link to various places. You can link to another website if you do take calendar bookings for appointments. Otherwise, an action, click to call directions. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file with your current brochure, various wedding dresses you have in store. Look at that. Looks absolutely beautiful for a wedding dress rental service. And the last section over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you. Let them put their details in here, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email. You have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marti dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain, you want your website to look even more professional, go ahead and click on this button over here to purchase your domain via the Marti Sites platform. And your Marti dashboard under the leads section is where you can view those leads from that form. Really hope this tutorial is helpful in building a website for your wedding dress rental service, and really wishing you and your business Marti success. Don't forget to click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial for 7 days.